babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video. This video is going to be all about this 613 lace frontal that I'm currently rocking. Today we are working with West Kiss Hair. Shout out to West Kiss Hair for sponsoring this video. In this video I'm just going to show you how I install this wig, melt the lace. We did a few things a little different with this install. I did use the ball cap method only because I feel like that's what works best with 613 and lighter color wigs. So if you want to see how I installed it start to finish, just stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Make me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and it don't work. You see through that I just wanna get with you and you're right. You're right. I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. Say you right. I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. I can't stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be brave.
Wanna say like me, yeah. One if you call and you talk to, girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You give me what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have all the space. Got time to waste it, baby. And I've been worth of them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I'll be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. time to waste everything. Close your eyes, get away. Make my mind, I'll break it. Beautiful, girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Aunque no, I'm on your guy, she get it, whoa. Aunque no, I'm on my guy, whoa. Aunque no, que la loca la chingo. Aunque no, que la vaya aquí.
Yeah, I don't need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah, I find you, I gave you all you needed. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it up. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind.
Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say yeah, we did together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need to me. I just wanna let you know. What? Yeah. Girl, you know I got a body. What?
A few specs on his hair. This is a 613 13x4 lace frontal. It's 22 inches long, and this originally was in the body wave texture. Once receiving this hair, I did use a little bit of purple shampoo. Yeah, so if you look down here, you can see where it's like white and less yellow. If I was to wash it again or do purple shampoo with purple conditioner, it will pull most of those brassy tones out, and I could get like a super white, like a platinum blonde, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. But nonetheless, you can use this straight out of the package and do the whole 613 install if that's what you like. But personally, I think with my complexion, the whiter blonde just looks a little better than the yellow blonde. As far as density, this wig is super full. I'm gonna pull all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the front, so this is a full unit. And keep in mind, she was body wave, so it has a nice texture to it, and it will hold a curl really well because it is a body wave. So this unit for 22 inches, this is $355. So it's like a little, it's not too much because 613 wigs are typically very expensive. So this is a reasonable price. Another plus, you can get this wig in densities 150, 180, 200, or 250. So depending on what you prefer as far as density when it comes to your hair, they have plenty of options for you. So I am loving this hair. I had so much fun doing this. What I plan on doing with this though is I want to do a brown root. I want to tone it real light, and then I want to do like a brown root. I think that'll be cute. Either whatever I decide to do, I will come back with another video. But once again, I want to thank West Kiss for sponsoring today's video. All the links will be down in the description box. Until next time.
Keep flowing, hit the gas, keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.